Why am I listening to you? I'm going to find out for myself. I'm going to understand this better than anyone else because I need to, because I know there's an answer here that's better than silence. So I did that. I read this, I read that, I read everything that I could read and understand. And I didn't have an answer. But I found things. I found things that changed the way that I saw it, the way that I felt about it. I found things that stood out. I found things that actually meant something to someone. So in Japan, there's this concept called Kintsukuroi. It's beautiful, beautiful. I thought, oh, I like that, steal it, take it, it's mine. There was a samurai warlord. I don't know if you guys know anything about warlords, but they're not very friendly. You're welcome. And so what happens is, when they get upset, they get very unfriendly in the worst ways. And this warlord wanted to show off how awesome he was, and he invited all of these people over to his pagoda or whatever it is. And they all showed up, and he said, bring out the fancy teapot, because that's me. And so the servant is walking out with the teapot and trips and falls and breaks the teapot. And the warlord immediately says, off with his head. Sorry, that's the wrong queen, my bad. Anyways, so as he's threatening death upon this man, someone else says, it's okay, it's fine. We can fix it. We can fix it. Oh, that's a lot of work, but we can fix it and make it better. Okay, well that sounds just absolutely absurd, but let's try it anyways. So they take this broken teapot to someone and say, let's do something with it, right? When the Japanese mend broken objects, they aggrandize the damage by filling the cracks with gold. They believe that when something suffered damage and has a history, it becomes more beautiful. But still, that beauty, we've learned something here. Let's show it off. Let's tell others that it doesn't have to be broken. It's not broken. It's beautiful.